Hi soulmates, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm teaching you how to add stunning diagonal straps to your fitted dress using brocade and chantilly lace. You can decide to use any fabric of your choice. It's simple, it's neat, and absolutely elegant. Yeah, this helps to elevate the look of this beautiful fabric. And then I started off by cutting a strap on a long strap on a fold. Now for both the chantilly lace and the brocade, then the next thing you want to do is to determine where you want the placement to be. And this is what I've gone ahead to do. I want it slanted that way. Then I started off first with the brocade and placed the chantilly lace on it just like that. And up just to cover up to the waistline. And then after doing that, you want to make sure your folding is on fold. Like whatever you folded, it's double. That's what we mean by on fold. And then I went ahead. You need to secure it down with pins. It doesn't matter if you're a professional, you just need to make use of your pin at this point. And then to be able to cut out the excesses, you want to flip the base over to the wrong side, then cut out the excess. If you try to cut out the excess using the front side, like facing up, you're likely to make mistake by cutting the base. So you just want to flip it just like I've done and trim out the excesses. And then I went ahead to just place, what I did was to use my hemming gum inside each of the pleats. Use the hemming gum, iron it down, and then on the sides and on the waistline, I went ahead to stitch on, and this is it. I've gone ahead to join it to the upper bit, and this is how it turns out to be. This picture is not really doing justice to how beautiful this dress looks. It's just absolutely elegant. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and share with other soulmates. More elegant sewing tutorials are coming your way. Thank you once again, guys, and do well, like I said, to subscribe to